Hey, I'm Marella.
Welcome to another episode of Relly's Belly! Today we'll be making 3 eggless mug cakes. These are the mugs I will be using. They're actually more like teacups. Let's start by making buttermilk, which is a good substitute for eggs, and will help activate our baking soda since we will not be using baking powder. If you already have buttermilk, that is great. You are ready to get going. If you do not, just combine 1 cup of milk with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar or lemon juice. Mix, set it aside for 15 minutes, then it is ready to use. First up, our eggless banana mug cake. Grab a small bowl for the dry ingredients. Toss in 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix and set it aside. Grab your mug for the wet ingredients. Pour in 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of buttermilk, and 1 whole mashed banana. Mix. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Combine. We can now pop it in the microwave. I heated mine for about 3 minutes at 800 watts. It may take longer or shorter depending on the watts of your microwave. Let it cool down a bit if you want to put some cream cheese frosting, or enjoy it warm right now. Next is our eggless carrot banana mug cake. Grab a small bowl for the dry ingredients. Throw in 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and salt to taste. Mix. Set that aside. Grab your mug for the wet ingredients. Throw in 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of buttermilk, 1 tablespoon of shredded carrots, and half of a banana mashed. Mix. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Combine. Now it is ready for the microwave. Heat for around 3 minutes at 800 watts or when the sides of the cake pull away from the mug. Cool it down or enjoy it warm. On to our final mug cake, our eggless cinnamon mug cake. Grab a small bowl for the dry ingredients. Add 5 tablespoons of flour, 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Mix. Set that aside. Grab your mug for the wet ingredients. Toss in 2 tablespoons of mashed banana. I placed half a mashed banana because I wanted more of a cinnamon banana mug cake, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and 2 tablespoons of buttermilk. Mix. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Combine. Place it in the microwave for about 3 minutes at 800 watts. You can do it in 30-second intervals to make sure it does not overcook. Overcooked mug cakes may result in a tough and hard center. Let it cool down or enjoy it warm. You can top these mug cakes off with a simple cream cheese frosting, which can be made by combining 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of milk, and 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar. You can use granulated sugar like I did if you don't mind the texture of the frosting. This is good for 1 serving or 1 mug cake. I increased the measurements of this particular mixture to 3 tablespoons each, since I will be pouring it on all 3 mug cakes. There you have it, our 3 eggless mug cakes. All the original recipes will be linked in the description box below so you can check out the other ingredients that can be used. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, comment down below what other recipes I should try and experiment with next, subscribe and click the bell so you all know exactly when I post a new video. Thank you very much for watching. See you soonest. Take care. Bye!